Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. African acts a hit. Patoranking and Bobby Wine delivered at this year's Rebel Salute. Nigerian reggae dancehall superstar Patoranking had the crowd in his hands on Saturday night.
My woman, my everything. My woman, I don't feel for you anything.
The star unleashed his catalogue, and the crowd, although not familiar with all the material, locked into his every word. However, his dancers, who are Jamaicans by the way, woke up the restless audience in the early morning, stepping out of the regular Rebel Salute format. The My Woman artist was happy to perform for a second time on the big stage in Jamaica.
You know, I'm very, very thankful. Thank you for bringing me here, me and the band as well. For me, this is everything. This is all I've always wanted to do. This is me living my dreams. You know, I listen to Busy Signal. Yeah, and so many people I like as well. I like their music. Yeah, Idonia, you know, Masika, Vibes Cartel, Movado, everybody, Chronics. Like, I love everybody. Down to Tony Rebel, Fantin Moja. I saw him performing today. I lost it. Not that I almost lost it. I did. I want to do a song with Buju. Please, I want him to see this as well.
The artist is featured on Morgan Heritage's first song for this year, dubbed Pay Attention, and anticipation is building for the video which was shot in Kenya last week.
Yeah, we're there. Day one, Pay Attention video shoot.
Live and direct.
You see it? We're at the Tribe, Village Market, Nairobi.
Now, Patoranking took to Twitter after the show, hailing his fellow African artist for representing Africa well at Rebel Salute. Bobby Wine, who uses his music for social and political commentary, gave a powerful and spirited performance. The Uganda-born artist lashed out on the government, who he claims tortured him and killed one of his workers.
We're living in a generation where there are no boundaries no more, where I can speak to my brother and sister across the world on their phone. We can fight without shedding blood. We can open the people's eyes. We can open their minds to continue the mission of the founders, like Marcus Garvey said, liberate the minds of men and ultimately you liberate the bodies of men.
Bobby Wine, the ghetto gladiator, is still on the island, and this morning he visited his childhood idol, Buju Banton. The overwhelmed Bobby tweeted his excitement after meeting the reggae star. He continued by saying that like a child listening to a father, he sat down and listened to this great man. He was captivating. He was very spiritual. It felt like he was seated under the oracle of wisdom flowing without end. He even went on to say that Buju reminded him that jail is part of the price those who fight for freedom must pay before things can get better. Now, last night on E-Prime, we stated that Andrew Tosh was one of the acts who did not perform due to the show's premature end. Although Mr. Tosh was there as a guest artist for the Wailers, he was not booked by the promoters. E-Prime apologizes for the inconvenience caused. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.